yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life with My Wife, and I am making a coconut cake. And there's 4 ingredients. There's Greek yogurt and unsweetened coconut and eggs and sweetener of your choice. I'm going to use the brown sugar Splenda. So I'm going to double the recipe, but I'll tell you what it calls for. So it is 2/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt, which I'm going to double it. Caroline's sitting behind the camera looking so enthused.
I am. I'm falling asleep.
Well, we've had a long day.
Yes.
So. Alright.
I had 5 hours sleep, remember?
Yeah.
Airplanes kept me awake.
So I'm filming this on Saturday afternoon after we've done all our errands. So, okay, so I doubled the yogurt. Lots of eggs. Calls for 4 eggs, so I have to do 8. 1.
Yeah.
2.
Oh,
3.
Brody wants in.
4. 5.
Come on in. Hey, wait.
6.
There you go.
7. And 8.
Scissors.
Okay, and then it says to whisk this until smooth. Sweetener of choice. I'm going to use the brown sugar Splenda. I don't even know how much I'm going to put. I don't know. I'll just put a couple. I'll put 3. I put 3 tablespoons. Oven's preheated at 350.
That's open.
All right. And then it calls for 100 grams of shredded, unsweetened shredded coconut. This is a 200 gram bag. Perfect. And then Alright, so every time Caroline and I try different cakes and stuff, we always say, oh, we need a smaller pan, we need a smaller pan. So I automatically got a smaller pan.
We need a bigger one today.
And we need a bigger one today.
Well, hopefully that's enough parchment paper.
Well, if it's not, then I wasted it.
Oh, I should fit.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Alright, put that back in the oven. Gonna put this in here.
Ooh.
I'm probably overflowing it a tad.
You just might.
That's okay. Okay, so typically it says 25 to 30 minutes. I don't know because I've doubled the recipe. So, we'll bring you back for a taste test later.
It should be the same.
So I've got the cake out of the oven.
Oh my goodness.
And like I said, I'm filming this Saturday, so we will be having this for dessert tonight. But yeah, so. Okay, so here is the coconut cake. And I dusted it with sugar-free powdered sugar. So there we go. And I did make some homemade whipped topping from heavy cream. That was, we made it for our Jell-O, but we had some left, so I figured everybody could have some. So we're gonna cut this up and give a taste test, and we'll see what it's like. There is it sliced up, and let's give this a try. Oh, that is good.
Coconut.
Okay.
Mmm.
So there it is, sliced up, and everybody's saying it's good.
Yeah, you
Give it
guys
a
enjoy
taste.
it. Mmm.
We will.
Mmm. That's really good.
Coconut.
All right, so thank you for joining me on this this new recipe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun